just going to be a survival race. Whoever can survive and stay as fast as they are at the beginning. Advantage here. I've been riding so much. I've been super excited for this race. I want to do good here. I think this is a race that I can do good at. So I've been training as hard as I can. I want to do good here. This race, it's gonna be, you know, whoever can handle just getting beat up for an hour and a half.
A lot of rain before this race, so I think the base is a little bit harder than usual, but the square edges were a little bit more gnarlier yesterday in the whoops. We didn't have as many whoops as we've had in the past, but it was definitely where it got deep, it got really deep, and I mean down on the beach we were getting below the water level, so that water started seeping up into those ruts, and it's going to play a big role.
I feel all right. I feel like no matter what you do, you can never get your suspension stiff enough to hold up to these G-outs, but all in all, I think I have a decent setup for the weekend. I'm riding my old bike instead of my hybrid this weekend because I'm having problems charging it and keeping the battery charged, so I just decided to go with Old Faithful. It's got a lot of hours on it, but I think it'll hold through.
I'm feeling great, especially I haven't tested at all the new bike, the hybrid. I rode it the first round and I had some problems with it. Now it's running good. Absolutely, it's lighter and handles different than the old bike.
I won yesterday, and the track's fun. I really enjoy the track. The lagoon jump definitely saves a lot of time, but it also, as the race goes on, it'll get deteriorated. It'll be kind of hard to hit the whoops. It's all sand, so it's just going to be straight whoops the entire race pretty much, but it'll be fun.